Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to clean this Mazda CX3 to get rid of all this winter grime. So the wheels are now done, and we're going to use a citrus pre-wash to break down all that winter grime that's on the paintwork, windows and trim. And just like that, it starts to rain. So now it's time for the bit that everyone loves, the snow foam. So why don't you leave a comment about how you like your snow foam? Do you like to leave a nice thin layer and let it cling, or do you like to put it on like shaving cream? Let me know what you think. So that's the wash process done. We're fortunate enough here to have completely pure RO water, so in theory we don't actually need to dry the car. But what we're going to do is we're going to apply a layer of Care Plus from Ceramic Pro just to give it some added protection through these winter months. So this is Ceramic Pro Care Plus. It's from Ceramic Pro, which we are an installer for. This as a wet application will give you up to 6 months durability, and as a dry application for 12 months. And to apply this wet, you simply spray it onto your microfiber towel and then dry your car as normal, so it doesn't take that much longer. I'll leave a link for this in the description if you want to pick it up. It's not cheap, but it's a fantastic product. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment below to tell me what you think and what you'd like to see in the future.